phone storage is screaming for help. Mobile games, 4K videos, endless pictures, where do they go? Meet the tiny SSDs clipping onto your smartphone to save the day. Are these the future? Let's find out. Hey tech fam, portable SSDs are blowing up in 2025 and they're not just drives, they're clip-on lifesavers for your phone. Today, we're diving into the Hackray MagDrive Lexar Professional Go and why they're must-haves for gamers and creators. Let's roll. Here's the deal. Your phone's dying under pressure. Mobile games like Genshin Impact eat 30 GB, 4K video chews through 400 MB a minute, and high-res pics? Forget it. This has been buzzing about in March 2025. Internal storage can't keep up. iPhones ditched SD slots, Android is following suit, and cloud subscriptions pricey and slow offline. Enter portable SSDs, compact, fast, and clipping right onto your device. No cables, no fuss. First up, the Hackray MagDrive. This bad boy is magnetic. It sticks to your iPhone via MagSafe, rocking 512 GB to 2 TB at 2000 MBs. Plug it in, record ProRes 4K straight from your camera. Content creators, this is your jam. Then there's the Lexar Professional Go Portable SSD. Thumb-sized, 1 TB or 2 TB, 1050 MB speeds, and a hub for mics or power. It's IP65 tough. Dust, water, drops? No sweat. Both are plug and play, no apps needed. Perfect for iPhone 15 or 16 Pros or Android OTG champs. Gamers, stash your titles. Creators, hoard your footage. Why care? Speed, size, and freedom. These SSDs outpace internal drives for half the upgrade cost. $190 for Lexar's 1 TB beats Apple's $200 for 256 GB. Clip-on design means no dangling cables, and they're built for the grind. They're trending for a reason. Mobile gaming's ballooning, high-res media's exploding, and these gadgets keep you in the game without breaking the bank. So, which one's your vibe? Hackray's magnetic snap or Lexar's rugged hub? Drop your pick in the comments.